says reread the paragraph, fill in the main idea and key details for the first paragraph. So we're looking back just at the properties of matter. A property is something about matter that you can observe with one or more of your senses. Size, shape, and color are a few properties that an object can have. Properties of objects vary or are different. You can compare and contrast properties to learn more about an object. So, what's the main idea? What's this paragraph all about? We've talked about main idea in reading. What's this all about? What do you think? You want to tell your neighbor? Tell your neighbor what you think the main idea is all about. What's this paragraph all about? Travis?
It's about properties of matter.
Okay, the properties of matter. That's the topic. So let's make a sentence out of that. What about the properties of matter? Judson?
That the properties of matter can be used by your five senses.
They can be used with or observed with your five senses. So all of those things that you observe with your senses, texture, taste, touch, smell, all of those are telling you the properties of something. Touch the surface of your desk. What does it feel like? Smooth, hard. Those are properties. You're observing just by touching your desk. You're telling me some of the properties of the wood that's used in your desk. So our main idea is actually the sentence that you highlighted here, is that a property of matter is something that you can observe with your senses. So go ahead now and complete that part of your listening guide. All right, next are your details. In this paragraph, you're going to find details that tell you about using your senses. So looking at the very next sentence, size, shape, and color are a few properties that an object can have. The properties of objects vary or are different. You can compare and contrast properties to learn more about an object. Which one of these three sentences should be included in your key details? That a property is something that can be observed with your senses.
Size and shape and color are something that an object can have.
Size, shape, color are a few properties that an object can have. What else might we include as the second key detail?
The properties of objects vary or are different.
Correct. The properties of objects vary and are different. You're observing things with your senses. Popcorn doesn't smell the same as a candy cane.
I thought yesterday.
So your senses can help you differentiate and to know the differences of these objects. So these are your two key details. Go ahead and work on your listening guide. Fill those in.